morning, dear children. Now once again welcome to the class. Children, in the previous videos we have completed 3 chapters of your computer book, that is Computer My Friend, Computer is a Machine and Uses of a Computer. Now children, I hope you all are understood. After these 3 videos you all are understood what is a computer and what is the use of computer. Now today we will start a new lesson of your computer book, that is lesson number 4, parts of a computer. So in this lesson we will learn parts of a computer and the function of these parts. Okay, and the function of these parts of computer. So for that, all of you take out your computer book and open the page number 23. On the page number 23 there is lesson number 4, parts of computer. So all of you put here today's date, and today's date is 12/9/2020. Okay children. Now, so children, like human bodies consist of different parts. You know now our body is made up of different parts, and each parts of our body has a special work to do. Similarly, computer has also many parts. Computer is made up of many different parts, and these all parts has a special work, and these all parts together to make a computer work. Now, computer has 4 main parts. Computer has 4 main parts, that is monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. These all parts together are known as computer, and these all parts together to make a computer work. Okay children. So now today we will see one by one these all parts. So first is monitor. So children, monitor is look like a television. Monitor is look like a television. Okay. All the work that we type by the keyboard, or we draw all the drawing by the mouse, that all are we are seeing in the monitor. So monitor is also give the result after the processing. So computer monitor is look like a television and it gives the output. Okay children. So where we get the output? On the monitor. Okay. Now next is keyboard. So children, keyboard is a input device. See, this is a keyboard. Keyboard has many different keys. You see now here many keys are available on the keyboard. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. Standard keyboard has 104 keys. See, many keys are available here. Some alphabetic key, some numbers key, some functions key, and some symbols also available here. Okay, using these keys we are typing all the things that we want. Okay, and that all the things that we type by the keyboard, all the character, all the information that we type by the keyboard, that is displayed on the monitor. Okay children. Next is mouse. So children, mouse is also input device. Using this mouse we are drawing on the computer. Okay, so mouse has 2 buttons, left button and right button, and between this left and right button it has a one way for scrolling a page, for scrolling your drawing. Okay, so it has 2 buttons, left and right. So using this mouse we are select all the object, we are selected all the object and drawing that is displayed on the monitor. We are selecting by the mouse. So it is also called a pointing device. Okay children, it is also called a pointing device. Okay. So children, always we use the left button of the mouse. Which button we use always? Always we use left button. But if we have any special work, then we use this right button of mouse. Okay. But always we are using for selecting any item, For open any icons, we are use this left button of mouse. Okay children. Now the next is CPU. CPU is the full form of Central Processing Unit. CPU is full form Central Processing Unit. So children, when we enter by the keyboard, then CPU it accepts that first you understood by this first thing, that is that we enter by the keyboard, that is called a data. Okay children, the like numbers, text, that all things that we enter by the keyboard or mouse, that all are called data. And after this entering data, CPU is the process of this enter data, and after processing, CPU is process that data, and after processing generate the result, and this result is displayed on the monitor. So according to this all functions work together and to do computer's work. Okay children, I am explaining you this all parts of computer by the presentation, so you all are understood easily these all parts. So I have prepared a presentation for you. So let's start the presentation. So let me start with the parts of a computer. Okay, so a human body is consist of different part, and each part has some special work to do. Okay, so a human body is made up of different parts, and each part has some different work. Okay, in the same way, a computer is made up of different parts. Okay, and all the parts has some different work. All these parts together make a computer work. Okay, so a computer is a machine that has 4 main parts. For example, monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. These 4 are main parts of computer: monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Okay, so the monitor, keyboard and mouse are attached to the CPU by cable. Okay, so let me see one by one all these parts. So first we see monitor. Okay, so computer monitor is look like a television screen. Okay children, computer monitor is look like a television screen. It shows the text typed in and the work done by us. It also display the desired result. Okay, whatever you type by the keyboard now, that all the things are displayed on the monitor screen. Okay, so next come to the next point, and the next point is keyboard. So a keyboard has many buttons. Keyboard has many buttons which are called keys. A keyboard is used for typing letters, words, numbers and special symbols. Using the keyboard, we can type letter, words, numbers and special symbols. Okay, so a standard keyboard has 104 keys. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. So let's start the next part of the computer, and the next part of computer, that is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU, that means Central Processing Unit. Okay, so CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU is also called a brain of computer. Like we have a brain, and all the things we are stored in our mind. Like that, CPU computer also all the things are saved in the CPU. Okay, so computer also save all the things on the CPU. So CPU is called a brain of computer. It help a computer to think and do all its work. It also help a computer to remember all the things. So next part of computer, that is mouse. Okay, so mouse is input device. Keyboard is also input device. Mouse is also input device. Okay, so a computer mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it. It is used to point, move and select any items on the computer screen or monitor. So it is also called a pointing device. Because of using the mouse, we can select any item that display on your monitor screen. Okay, so a mouse also helps us to draw pictures and play game. Okay, so let's come to the next topic, and the next topic is more parts of a computer. Okay, so we already seen now these 4 parts, but some parts also available in computer. Okay, so apart from the 4 main parts, there are some more parts of a computer which can be attached to it for different function. Okay, so let me see one by one all these parts. So first is printer. Printer is a output device. A printer is used to print the text or pictures on paper. That all the things that display on your monitor screen now, we can take all that print out on paper. Okay, so the printed copy on paper is called a hard copy. Okay, the printed copy on paper is called a hard copy. Okay, so look at the pictures. There are some types of printers are available. The commonly used printers are dot matrix printer, inkjet printer and laser printer. So next part is microphone. A microphone is used to record our voice and different sound into the computer. Using microphone, we can also talk to our friends on the internet. Okay. So next next part of computer is speaker. Speaker allow us to listen to music and hear sound effect stored in a computer. Okay, so using the speaker we can listen to music